Yeah, pinasa, Mac, Mac for 2. Two boys. Okay, ang dalawang set, pinasa Joel for 2. Bang, automatic yan.
Uy, puto si Will pala ito.
Two boys, lalo tayo yan.
Nakilala eh. Diyan lang, sa may ampit.
Meron sa play?
Oo.
May bulsa ka?
Nag-8 to daw.
Meron sa play?
Two boys, into shoot. Whoa, bali-bali. Oh, two boys by. Run for 3. Back for 3. Please, rebound ni Matt. Matt. Foul. Tumawag, no? Two points, right. Wala. Two points by Ricky. Gawin sa AP. Mateo. Mateo, kinaliwa. Two points. Kinalawa natin.
Sige na. Ay, dapat nakatape.
Wala.
Ba't nakatape?
Papalang itigod. Yeah. Yeah, hinahalaan si Nate. Nice block. Nice hit. Ready for 3. Bam! 2 points. Mahaba pa yan, guys. 2 minutes and 40. Kuya Carl for 2. Back for 1. Five, eight again. Shoot! Nice, two balls. Shot clock violation, hindi tumama sa ring, guys. Good job. 155 seconds. Two balls. 5, 1 roll. 32-16. Kinalala by Nate Faith. Pinasa kay Bang Rob for 3. Pasok ka, Mark. 2 points. Serrano. Santo for 3 back. 3 points by Santo. Donato. Pass to Will. Well, step back. 2-pointer. 2 points. Nice. Pass to Serrano. 2-pointer is good. Hey, shoot! Good! Okay na! 5 minutes remaining. 10. 5. 3 points by number. Nice one. 2 points. Our score is 9-7 in favor of red team. Donato! 2 points by Donato. Sa kanya pa rin. Pull up again, no good. Nice one. 2 points by number 10. Mark. Mark. 3 points. Ready ka? 2 points for center. Isa na kayo yung mga hindi pa nakakalista. Power rebound! Sa kanya pa rin, 2 points.
Nawi mo lang ba?
1 to 13. Kailangan ng Roko na rin.
15 seconds to five. 5. Alright, go. Nice power move. 2 points. Babalikan mo lang. 2 points by Well. 3 points. Donato, what you gonna do? Pumping, 2 points is good para kay Donato. Pull up, no good. 2 points by Donato. Donato, moving the ball. 15 to shoot. 2-pointer is good para kay Dad. For Black team. Long 3, pass. 3 points by number 10. Tawag doon guys. Number 12, 2-pointer. 2-pointer is good. Isa na lang ang alam. No good. 2 points, back-to-back points. 3 points, ano? Celto again, triple attempt. 3 points by Celto. Good. 2 points by Donato. What a foul. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 3 points. Naman sila na isa guys. Nice pass. Kaso nga lang, medyo malalim. 5 to shoot. 2 points by Donato. Lamang sila na isa. 45 seconds. Tinira, wala. 2 points. Lamang sila na tatlo. Tatlo na guys. 5. Overtime tayo guys, overtime.
Ako na may tira.
50 seconds. Naso. 10. 5. Kobe, 2 points. Please stop.
Akala ko lang pala. Malalaglag yun.
Russell Hesse, 3-pointer is good.
Tropa niya pa yung malalaki. Yung tropa yung
Jason pa rin. Di ba? 2 points by Jason. No goal. Two-pointer is good para ang number 7. Ours. Jason, 2 points by Jason. Hesse.
Pinakita mo yung ring na kapag kanan.
2 points by number 81. 4 minutes remaining. 5 to shoot. Good. 2 points by Mark. Floater is no good. Sa kanya pa rin. 2 points by number 7. Bird. Lang ka. Two-pointer by number 7. 2 points. Patrikela. Pasa pa pala. 2-pointer again para kay number 7. 5 to shoot. 20 seconds remaining. 2 points is good. 15 seconds. 10. 5. Counted.
Sobra, pero sumakit ko.
2 points is good para kay Mark.
Check mo lang kasi.
Mark Mileo. 2 points by Mark. Apat na lang ang inaabol. Good point. Jason. 2 points is good by Jason. Johnny. Nice pass. Mark. Pull up. 2 points. 2 points. 4 minutes remaining. 2 points is good.
Simula mo na kanina.
2 points.
Nahirapan na akong mag-ano. Bumuha ng concept.
2 points. 1 minute and 35 seconds. 5 to shoot. Good, 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 good.
Ayan. Hindi yata, no?
Mark. 2 points is good para Mark. And next game, Leader versus Leader. 2 points. 2 minutes remaining.
Sabo na yun eh. Si Magmi, dyan ba yun? Si Magmi, kagaling-galing. Yan, yan. Sana ako din. Kasi pag pumasok sa tayo, ayun mo malaki dyan, babaksa na ako. Nga.
2 points.
Di ba ibang first five lang?
2 points. Super low. Well, pinalaga. Two points. Tuloy mo na dyan. Going, 5-3. 1-2. Di ba pwede kemato? Kemato, 2 points.
Nakakapagod eh. Nakakatayot lang ako ng lawa ito.
2 points. No good. Di ba pwede kemato? Kemato pinatayo. Good. 2 points. 12 seconds shot clock. Team. Pilay. Pinasa. 3. No good. Di ba pwede kemato? Kemato. Di ba kita? Ano na?
Hoy, Jose!
2 points. Sento, pinakuma. Ayaw ipasa. Pinira. 2 points. Pinako. Pinugo. Pinakaitan. Maju. Pinako putbak. 2 points. Pinako putbak. Pinakay bagay. Bagay. 2 points. Bagay. 2 points. Good. Time. 2 points. Ang kuya. Para sa atin, 30 seconds. 2 points. Ito, bukaw mo. Iyan sa 3. Rebound by 5. Dahil, ako yung rebound. 2 points. Yakal, pinasa. 2 points. Burangay. National Buasa. Matalutok ka. 2 points. 7. Wala na po tayo sa block. Last 30 seconds. Time 2 points. Last.
Gusto ko ng medisina para hindi na makadama na sakit sa tuwinan o pamagyat bibili ko at ang
3 points. 25 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. 2 points. Last 30 seconds. 2 points. Last
2-0!
Yabang, wala ako sa kalaban.
Tommy, go, win ako? Ano, problema? Hoy,
2 points.
Dalawang dito. Pangalawang dito ko na eh. Eh, sabi na yun. Ano pwede mo? Kunti lang naman. Pwede kayo magsapon. Ay, tama ba? 240. Teka, 918 po. Teka. 230 lang pala ang event.
Skip. 2 points. Delay up on number 27. 2 points by number 31. Number 81 pala. Asho. Another shot. Back-to-back points by Asho. Alvarado. 2 points is good para kay number 7. 2, 3. I think. 2 points by Sando. 2 points by Rio. Nice shot. 2 points by Kevin. Rio. Extra set. 2 points by Esmero.
Pero ngayon, pinapabalik sa mama.
2 points. 2 points by number 7. Yeah. 2 points. 5.
Pumigil ko na.
2 points. 2 points by Rio. The Rio for 3. Slowly but surely. 5 minutes remaining. 2 points by Black Sando. Gibrana. 2 points by Black Sando.
Lads! Lads!
2 points. Ang gandang patalon, 2 points. Another shot, 2 points. Nice shot, 2 points. Two points by Gorri. Steal. 2 points is good para kay Kevin. Richard Shirt. Skywalker, 2 points. Two points for Mark. 6 minutes remaining. Two points.
Lipad. Lipad ko yun, no?
2 points by. Yeah. 2 points by White Shirt. Wow. 2 points. Good.
Gawin sa atin mo.
Grabe lang nilagpasan nun. 2 points. Ano ba? 2 points by White Sando. 2 points.
Ano ba bukas pre? First thing siguro?
2 points. Bang, 2 points. Ready, next 10.
Laro pa kayo, Nat?
2 points.
All with a limited system.
Jumper, 2 points for White T-shirt. Grabe yun! 2 points. Smooth lang, guys. Okay, takbo lang ang kalaman. Russell, pull up again. 2 points ulit group para kay Russell. Triple na pen. Taka! 3 points. Long two. Long two. Bang! Sagot na naman. Russell. 15 to shoot. Bang! 2 points. Bang! Power move by Russell.
Ibigay mong tunay. Yan ang dapat mong gawin. Makinig ka sa akin.
Good yan. 2 points to Mark. Good. 2 points by Russell. Foul. Last 1 minute. Bang! 3 points by William. 10 to shoot. 3 points by Russell.